Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So this is my first vlog in in this month, and because I uploaded multiple videos on English language while practicing on my home, but today I'm outside and just want to capture this great environment which I'm currently in. So I'll show you the view over here. So this is very fascinating, and so I've got some sort of time to record myself, and while working as well I try to record, because that is how like I'm feel like I'm working on myself as well. And uh, and if I talk about like today's agenda, it is basically going to be pretty same. Like I'm going to record myself in English language, and doing the practice. So I didn't have anything to speak on this video, because while getting time nowadays is very difficult, because everyone is rushing and didn't able to get the time. So I just try to upload video every day. So yeah, because if somebody is can get out of 5 to 10 minutes every day, so he can basically do anything whatever he wants, because we have spent so much of time saying that we cannot do it, how we can do it. So we always need to ask why, and first why, then how, because that's how we are opening our mind. Right? So otherwise everyone is doubting himself or herself, because nowadays very easily anyone can ruin himself by just one thought. But for backing himself he need a lot of thoughts and a lot of willpower and a lot of dedication. So that is not easy for people for building a brand. And so yeah, just trying to express myself as much as I can, because it is too difficult, too much difficult to getting a lot of things for YouTube, because yeah, I seen people who have spent a lot of times to think only, basically don't able to act, because nowadays act is more important rather than thinking, because there's a lot of people's, basically this is a liquidate market where you can get a get a subscription if you are having some sort of thing easily, because nowadays India is becoming a emerging market, or you can say a big market for every consumer who are like want to use something. So yeah, this is very easy. And so I'm just completing this video now because I think I didn't have a lot of things to speak, but I am trying basically. So don't judge me, because yeah, it takes, don't judge me why. Basically it doesn't matter a lot for me, because I am some sort of plan, and if I'm doing that, so I know what the things look like in future. So you need to have a plan, and you don't need to care about other opinions. So yeah, I'm completing this video now. Bye bye, have a good day.